So you clicked on this video because you want to actually improve your video
So
editing.
you can find your meaning in just doing hard things that are as close as possible to suffering, that you're still benefiting from and you still enjoy. I think it's beautiful.
You're seeing everybody else having success with clients or a personal brand and you want in, but you find yourself making excuses like procrastinating and you can't focus. So you get stuck indulging in useless content while your dream lingers in the back of your head. But this all ends today. Let me introduce the 2024 video editing winter arc. I have 3 main lessons that I will teach you guys today, so make sure to stick to the end of the video. First lesson is how to optimize your workspace layout. This is essential to be able to create better videos faster and just be more efficient. This is a not optimized workspace. As you can see, it's pretty messy, but this is an optimized workspace. So I'm going to show you guys how you can get this workspace with my help. Alright, so first of all, you need to change your workspace to vertical. Now I'm dividing my panels to an easy order. I have my most used panels on the left and the not so used on the right. What you can also do is dragging the effects panel all the way to the outline to the right of the program. This is very optimal. Now comes all of the little tweaks that will just dramatically create this to your own workspace. It is with these small little tweaks that make it most optimal. So I'm just dragging my timeline up, making sure that I have enough space for my keyframes and my properties which will be used the most. Also, you need to do little tweaks like making sure that the audio bar is really small because you don't really use that. So once you're happy with that, you have a very optimized workspace and this will save you a lot of time, trust me, and it will make you a lot more efficient. But this next step is maybe a bit more juicier. And what is it? Well, it's about presets and shortcuts. And I can't even tell you how much time I've saved using presets and shortcuts. This has to be one of the things that have made it possible for me to create lots of videos at a much faster pace, and it's just drag and drop, so it's really easy. So let's get started with the first extension on my list, and that is AE Juice. It is free and it comes with a lot of great packs which you can download. And my favorite thing with these packs are the transitions, free assets, overlays, and some really cool text animations. Also, another extension that you need to download is the Premiere Pro Composer. So just make sure to download both of these, which are probably the best free extensions in the game. And as you guys can see, how you can add this is really simple. You just press a right click and then press import, and it will automatically just show up in your timeline, just like I'm doing right now. Isn't that easy? Now, the best hack of all of the hacks are the Jonus Essential. This is a cheat code, let me tell you. You will get 20 animated backgrounds. You will get also 10 transitions. You will get preset packs for both After Effects and Premiere Pro. You will also get tutorials from the best in the game, and I'm telling you, and video breakdown, sound effects, and much more. So this is really the best thing that you can do on this list. But now let's get a bit, let's go a bit deeper in thought. Let's get a bit philosophical. You need to find your why. And for me, it is all about visualizing where I want to see myself in the future. And I know that each video will contribute to a better future. Now, I know that it might take some time, but with patience and hard work, you will make it. And you need to make your dreams a reality. So don't be scared to edit 100 videos with no luck or no clients. Just focus on becoming a bit better on every single video, and time will just fly by and you will stand at the top of the mountain and just think, well, how far have I come? This is insane. But if you want to make this journey a bit easier and drop some weight on that backpack, I would really suggest you to go in the link in the description and become a part of the Jonus Essentials, as it has helped so many hundred getting closer to achieving their dreams and making it as a pro video editor. So I wish you luck with the 2024 gym arc and have a great rest of your day. This has been Jonus Tech. Peace.